Hi, Wally from Pioneer Plastics Energy. Today we're going to look at the priming of the system with our bacterial material. What we've got here is we've done a mixture of horse manure, which is obviously contains all the bacteria out of the animal's stomach and digestive system, which helps us with breaking down that organic material. And then the same horse manure, which has gone through an earthworm process, which we call a vermicast. It's a 6 weeks process where we let the earthworms work through that material, and then they deposit all the positive natural bacteria into this horse manure, and they actually break it down to a rich organic bacteria-filled system. What's interesting with earthworms is when that material moves through that earthworm body, 20,000 different types of bacteria is deposited onto that material. So we've got our sort of natural bacteria that's in the digestive system, and then this rich organic bacterial system from the vermicast process. So all we're going to do is mix it up with some water, then we get it into a slurry, and then introduce it to the tank to get the bacteria forming so that we can get our biogas digestion going. Let's start. Our vermicast. And our horse manure. And we're just going to mix all of this up into a slurry. And what's interesting with bacteria actually survives whether it's aerobic, in other words oxygen-filled environment, or anaerobic, which is our tank, which has got no oxygen-deprived environment. The same bacteria just literally changes shape, and it survives with or without oxygen. And that's why we can take this natural organic bacterial material and introduce it to the tank, where it'll just continue to multiply and break down whatever organic feeding material we introduce into the tank. That's it, a nice smooth slurry, and we're just going to introduce it into the tank. And that's it. Our biogas tank is primed. We're going to do 4 bags of the vermicast and 4 bags of the horse manure.